This is a little segment we'd like to call Breaking Into My Dad's Bedroom. Let's go. Oh, this one's too big. You try mine. Okay. Take that one. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this one's too big too. Let's try a key. We're gonna try a key. Wait, where'd the keys go? I found a key. Oh, I got one. Wait, don't use that one. Why not? Let me see that one. That one's second. Move. I have a sucker mod. That was for the pin. Go get another one. This one's open. I got it in. Ah, it opened. You got it. Yeah. I got it. I was the one that focused out the move. Yeah. Okay, let's try a new segment. Breaking into the garage. Let's go. Let's go.
This isn't obvious. We are breaking into the garage. Nobody tell.
Ah, my sock. Wait a minute. Pause. You can't pause it. Oh, it opened. Okay, new segment. We left the door open. Come back. Hurry up. Shut the door. Hey, follow us. Wait. Christina! Look what we found. Jackpot! Foot by the foot. Oh,